So hi friends, all of you, welcome back to my YouTube channel Navigol. So today we are going to do unboxing of that GAMERZ Avengers gaming combo kit. So this is for my brand new computer. Oh, I need to do okay. Friends, sorry but today's location is changed. So today I'm doing a shooting from my drawing room. It's a black color. I was waiting eagerly for this item. So it's a wired USB, wired gaming combo. Well, the main thing of gaming is it's not. You can use it normally also. The main thing is that it has a RGB light. That's why it's called a gaming. And there's some more features in its mouse. So now we are going to do main unboxing. So first, like this here. From here you must need to take it out gently. Do everything gently. So like this when you do, you need to properly press. It should be like this only. So here I will take it out and keep it over here. Then I will take out my mouse. Friends, really the quality of the wire is extremely good. It's amazing. Really amazing. Mouse is really amazing. I have kept the mouse aside. I would keep this box aside. So here you may see there's a gap because there is RGB lighting. First of all, I am connected right now to my computer. So here. Thank you and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we go. Okay, bye bye.